Good morning, Year 1. Now in RE today, we're going to be learning about people who help at Mass. So people that help out in church. Now think back to the last time that you were able to attend church and think about what it was like. Maybe think about who might you see. Have a little chat with your grown-up now and just pause the video and think about what it was like and who you might see. Okay, once you've done that, there are quite a few people who welcome and help out at Mass on a Sunday. Although there are people with special roles at Mass, everyone who is there is important and joins in by praying, listening, singing, and by saying the responses and by going forward for a blessing. Some people help prepare the church for Mass on Sunday. For example, they arrange flowers and they can clean the church. And some people have special roles on a Sunday Mass. There are greeters, the priest, deacon, altar servers, readers, those who take the collection, bring up the bread and wine to the altar, and the extraordinary ministers of Holy Communion. We will have a look at these together. Now, extraordinary ministers are people who help give the Holy Communion to the people at the church. There's greeters. So they're the people that stand near the door and they greet and they welcome visitors to the church. And there are altar servers. These are people who help the priest out during the Mass. They bring things to him that he needs. The priest leads the service. He is able to perform religious duties, so he's very special. A reader is a person who reads to the church. Okay, let's see what you've remembered. What special roles do some people have at the Mass? Pause the video here and tell your grown-ups some special roles that I've just mentioned. Okay, next question. How do people join in at Mass? Talk to your grown-up now. Okay, I hope you had a good chat with your grown-ups there about those questions. Now you have got a worksheet to complete. I want you to think about who are the people that help us at Mass and think about what their role is. So you've got some pictures on your worksheet and I want you to write some sentences about what they do in church. Okay? I look forward to reading all of your work in Google Classroom. Bye!